Technology and social media raise new challenges with confidential information. I'm Bill Nolan, and this is Law You Can Use. There's always been confidential information, but with the electronic age and the internet explosion, first of all, there's much more information than there's ever been, and it's also much more mobile than it has ever been. So it's much harder to protect confidential information than it used to be when it was all on paper. It really affects all kinds of confidential information because almost all information is in electronic form. Some important kinds of information that are affected are business trade secrets, medical records, and student records. Those are all important, sensitive kinds of information that are almost entirely electronic now. A trade secret is a particular kind of confidential information that is created by statute in Ohio and really in all states. A trade secret is information that is kept confidential. There are particular efforts made to keep it confidential, and it has value because it is kept confidential. As we mentioned, confidential information can move much more quickly than it used to because of the electronic age. So if you look at the definition of trade secrets, that efforts have to be made to keep it confidential. Companies and others need to adapt to the changing technology and take steps under this new environment to keep it confidential. Those steps are much different than they would have been when you could just lock the information in a closet. These lists are really the modern day Rolodex. Employers certainly expect to have rights in them if the employer is paying an employee to develop them. It's really advisable for both the employers and the employees to reach an understanding about how that's going to work, who owns what, and write it down before the list is created. This is really the BYOD, bring your own device question. It's a developing area that employers and employees alike are getting their arms around. Certainly, again, employers are going to have some expectation that they have ownership in information employees develop at work, and the law will support that in some cases. Again, it's important for employers and employees to try to develop understandings about these things in advance if they possibly can. I'm Bill Nolan, and this is Law You Can Use.